Good morning and welcome to the IG Daily Market Update for Friday the 17th of December. We're seeing the FTSE 100 down around 15 to 20 points this morning at 58.65. We've had the so-called quadruple witching for futures and options expiries this morning, creating some excitement, lifting the index briefly above 5,900 around 10 a.m. We've now seen some fall away from there and trading slightly lower as of 11:30. Now, Moody's have downgraded Ireland's credit rating 5 notches, a fairly substantial downgrade, and this is knocking banking stocks across Europe. In the UK, we are seeing Lloyds and RBS taking the hits. Lloyds off 1.5% and RBS down 2.5%. Now, drugs giant AstraZeneca is the big faller though, after they've been told that there's going to be a delay for approval of a new blood thinning drug in America. They've had a fall of 6% to their shares as a result this morning. In terms of rises today, we've seen Autonomy and 3i Group, the software makers, near the top, both up slightly above 2%. And this looks like a bit of a read across from some strong tech results after the bell in America yesterday. Nationwide have released consumer confidence figures for December with a figure of 45, down from November's level of 52. This is actually the lowest since the depths of the recession, highlighting the consumer's bleak outlook with the government's planned austerity cuts. Now, with that Irish downgrade and also the ECB coming out yesterday saying they would be increasing their capital, the EU meeting going on in Brussels is due to end today. Coming out of that, we've heard that the EU is not going to increase their bailout fund. However, they are planning to introduce a European stability mechanism from 2013. This is going to be a more kind of formal, long-term emergency process as opposed to the temporary measures in place now. This includes getting private sector bondholders to take write-downs on any write-downs that happen, as well as just the governments taking them on themselves. Now, we've seen a bit of strength in the euro as a result. We're seeing it up around a cent, 133.15 against the dollar this morning. US markets finishing slightly stronger yesterday, the Dow up around 40 into the close. We saw FedEx come out with a fairly bullish outlook for 2011 despite having numbers missing expectations. And then tech stocks, Oracle, Accenture and Canadian BlackBerry maker RIM Research in Motion, all posting good results and boosting the tech sector in the US. We are expecting a fairly quiet day today with no data or results of note. However, we just received news in Korea that the North Koreans are planning on stepping up military action against the South if a planned firing test goes ahead on a disputed island off the coast there. So it's definitely going to be something to watch over the rest of the day and the weekend. Now, US futures are just showing slightly down. We're calling the Dow down 10 at around 114.90 with the S&P off less than a point at 1242.5.